Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the problem closely. Look for runs, orange peel, or contamination. Use coarse sanding, 80 to 120 grit, to remove high drips, then feather edges with 320-400 grit so transitions are smooth. Once done, wipe the panel with a clean solvent and let it dry completely. You want a uniform matte surface so primer and paint adhere. Make sure to work in a ventilated area and wear protection, respirator, gloves, and eye protection before moving to priming. Once primer is applied, you build up thin, even coats to fill minor imperfections. Don't overload. After curing, block sand with 400 to 600 grit until the surface reads uniformly dull. This levels ridges and shrinks pinholes. You should clean with a tack cloth and inspect under angled light. Adjust your spray gun. Correct fan width and 20-30 psi for most aerosol systems, or manufacturer's setting for HVLP. Then you're ready to lay down your base coat with controlled, overlapping passes. You finish by blending the new base coat into the existing paint. Overlap by 2 to 3 inches and use light, steady passes so edges disappear. After base coat flash, apply 1 to 3 thin clear coats, allowing flash times the product recommends. This builds gloss and protection. If you see solvent pop, orange peel, or dust nibs, let the clear fully cure, then wet sand with 1,500-2,000 grit and polish. If still uneven, re-evaluate adhesion and consider stripping back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.